In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my experience trying the viral weight loss drink of coffee and lemon mix for 7 days, and I'm sharing with you guys my entire experience. Hopefully this is a wholesome video and you do find it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and family. Also, if you're already subscribed, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you get notified every time I make an upload that interests you. Now to begin, the recipe for this particular drink, this weight loss drink, is a tablespoon of lemon juice as well as a tablespoon of coffee, and we're adding this to a warm water for 7 days. We're going to be drinking this for 7 days, so you should be getting a mix that kind of looks like this. Quick disclaimer: before you embark on this particular weight loss drink, please kindly consult a health professional, especially if you have any health concerns whatsoever. I have my drink. I already made the drink earlier and I just wanted to feel action, so actually taking the coffee and lemon drink. So there we go. It has this, this sour taste to it. Typically coffee with the lemon mixture, yeah, but it's not as bad as, I expected it to be. I'll say yes, it's bitter. Obviously it's bitter. This is just the two ingredients, the coffee and the lemon. One tablespoon of coffee, 1 tablespoon of the lemon. I feel like it's the first thing I'm having in the morning. It's almost over. I hope you guys saw that, 2nd of November 2021. And yeah, so we have I'm just gonna be downing it. So I would say, yeah, the taste isn't as bad, maybe because I have had experience with salt water. I've tried apple cider vinegar, so I was actually expecting the worst, but so far so good. I feel like it's pretty cool. Well guys, if you've tried this out, a natural sweetener, do you think it's gonna mess up with the results? So let me know. So it's today's day 1 and I'm gonna be showing you guys my before, weighing my starting weight, and then by day 7 we'll talk. So I'll keep you guys posted as regards each and every step that I'm going to be taking, as well as my meals. It is day 2 and I have the coffee right here. I decided to put it in this sippy cup and sip it much more than drink it. So it's still a cup, same measurement, 1 spoon of coffee and 1 spoon of lemon juice, but I just decided to put it in a sippy cup and then sip it for the rest of the day. So it feels like I'm drinking like my own Starbucks, literally. But anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know and check in for day 2. And I don't know if some of you experienced this. I believe when I watched some other videos and YouTubers, they were saying, oh, the thing curbed their appetite. But for me, for day 1, I still ate like my regular meals, and you must have seen what I consumed, and yeah, it was still the same kind of appetite. My appetite hasn't been curbed, but I guess that was just for day 1, so fair enough. So let's see how day 2 goes, and then I'll let you guys know how day 3 went. I'll let you know how my day 2 went on day 3 check-in. So yeah. Hi guys, so it is day 3 and I just wanted to give you guys an update. I have my tea right here. Super horrible, Jesus, like it's so bitter. The worst. But anyways guys, it's going great. Today is day 3. I haven't checked my weight. I haven't done any weighing since day 1, but as far as my appetite, I feel like I've been eating like my typical self, as opposed to, and then I've definitely been feeling lighter. So I don't know if it's in my head yet, but definitely day 7 will tell us all if we've been doing it. And then I'm just going to be showing you guys what I've been eating. I typically have been doing my intermittent fasting, which means after the coffee, nothing else, which doesn't really count because I'm supposed to fast till like 12 noon. So guys, let me know, am I supposed to, like, since I'm on intermittent fast, am I supposed to take it as the first thing after breaking my fast? Because I still do like my apple cider vinegar as well. So yeah, I take the coffee in the morning because the weather is quite chilly and I feel like it's the perfect time rather than at noon. And then I have I have my first meal at 1 p.m. and then I feel like I have my last meal at 6 p.m. at night or 8 p.m. the latest. So I've still been eating like my healthy diet. I haven't been working out like vigorously as well. I've just been doing like 15 minutes, you know, like low impact workouts from YouTube, 15 minutes at most, doing some stretches as well, nothing too tedious, no high impact exercises or running outside. Typically I would run outside for like 20 minutes at least a day, but I haven't been doing any of that because I just wanted to, you know, see how effective this is actually going to be. But I've just been maintaining my regular lifestyle, and that's about it. So day 3 check-in, and then I'll keep you guys posted. I'm hoping that by now I should have lost like a kg or something. But guys, we're not going to talk about how horrible, and when I mean horrible, tasting this coffee and lemon mix, like not horrible in apple cider vinegar type of way, but more of bitter tasting. It's very bitter, very bitter. Okay, hey guys, so quick check-in for day 4. I just wanted to mention that for day 3 I had throbbing headaches, like almost like migraines. Why? So I don't know if it's a result of the coffee and lemon mix, but just in case you definitely have experienced that, being a coffee drinker, let me know in the comment section as well, because I definitely experienced lots of that. Again, for my appetite, I don't know if it's that I'm not a huge eater or I don't know what's going on, but my appetite still remains the same. I was hoping that this recipe was supposed to help me curb my appetite, like maybe I'll be eating once, but I was still eating like my regular twice after breaking my intermittent fasting. And yeah, I feel like that was it for day 3 that I noticed. So yeah, we're at day 4. I'm still, you know, passing on my regular, you know, going to the restroom the typical way, which is once a day in the morning. And yeah, so it's still been the usual, you know, eat a little bit regular day. Aside that throbbing headache yesterday, was just intense, seriously intense. So I had to make sure that I stayed hydrated and, you know, take a bit of rest. So just in case you have that or experience that as part of a side effect from drinking the coffee, especially if you have not been a coffee drinker before now. So yes, that's about it. That's the update for day 4, and I'll see you in day 5. What's up, guys? Anyways, guys, quick check-in. So yeah, I'm taking like a walk. Yep, this is me on my walk. I am taking a walk, and then I just wanted to mention that day 4, because I just got tired of, you know, showing you guys me drinking having the coffee and lemon mix. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I did notice like a slight curb in my appetite from drinking the coffee and lemon, but I started to notice that on day 4. So I just want to say that it does vary, you know, for different individuals, just in case you're like hoping and banking that it's going to curb your appetite and then definitely let you lose the weight. So I just wanted to let you guys know I'm not, you know, I'm not back to like my high intensity workout or anything, just taking, you know, long walks or doing like low impact workouts at home from YouTube and the like. So I just wanted to let you guys know that quick check-in while going for my walk, because I was just thinking about it and I was like, I don't want to forget it at the end while doing the review. So yeah, guys, that is me. Woo! Woo! Yes! So I lost 1 kg, or technically 1.5 kg. So if you're like me and you lost very minimal amount of weight in 7 days, I would say do not be disappointed, because we all burn fat in different metabolic rates. And I would just like to conclude with saying lower your expectation when doing this viral challenge. Disclaimer, all opinions are mine. Don't forget to do your research, consult your physician before embarking on this particular diet, as well as don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.